गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. सो मैं आज थोड़ी सी लेट हो गई उठने में बिकॉज आई कुडंट स्लीप द लास्ट नाइट. तो आज मैं अच्छे से सो रही है. आई स्लेप्ट ऑन सोफा ओनली बिकॉज मेरा AC इज़ नॉट वर्किंग. मिस प्रॉब्ली रिपेयर करने वाले आ जाएंगे. भी रिपेयर नहीं होगा. आंटी बॉट अ न्यू AC, सो दे गोना इंस्टॉल इट मिस प्रॉब्ली टुडे, सो इट विल बी फाइन. And since today is Navratri ka pehla din, so I'll start my day with apples and I will be fasting. I'll fast for all 7 days. I think I wouldn't be able to do for all 7 days. पहले मैं कर लेती थी, but from the time when I was with my mom, dad, I used to fast for all 7 days, but I don't think I can do that. So most probably I'll fast for today and the last day of Navratri. That's what we usually do, right? And my mate came today. I guess she's also fasting. So yesterday also she took off, and today also she took. I don't know what to do with her. But I know I look so pathetic, and my kitchen also it looks pathetic. I don't know how I'm gonna cook. So I'm starting with my day. I think I'll have apple and cucumber as breakfast. After that I'll boil some potatoes and I'll have it with this, what do we call it, dahi. I want to fast for all days. Like Durga Mata ji, she's my favorite. I think I'm gonna fast for all 7 days. I think I can control. I can have that. I have that much control over my mind. I don't think I can. I could have done that if I was with my mom. And it would have been very easy for me. Life is actually easy with your parents, right? I miss them a lot. I have been staying out of my house, out of my parents' place from last 11 years. I am pretty used to it, but life was much easier, when we had zero responsibilities and all. Everything has changed. Like my dad, he's a completely different human now. Completely different. I think I'm gonna have cucumber also. I tell you, life is hard. Like a lot of women, they fantasize, they want to be independent and they don't want to live with their parents. They feel there's a lot of restrictions and all. And I will tell you one thing, I have everything I always wished for right now. That's what I have all the things which a girl desires of, especially a middle class girl. See, if you already have everything, why would you desire for the things which I want you to have? So coming from a very orthodox family, and I basically come from the family in which they marry the girls at the age at little early age, plus they won't educate them well. सिर्फ इतना ही educate करेंगे जितना कि एक लड़का, it's desirable for the group, like for the guy to marry. Teacher बना देंगे. Yeah, I'm not saying teacher is not a good profession. It's really good, but it's like very common. या फिर banker बना देंगे, something like that. And that's the reason I'm also a doctor. So I'm the only doctor in my family, and I'm little proud of it. But I never wanted to be a doctor. It's not because I didn't like the profession or something like that, but I had this thing from my mind. I want to, when I was a small kid, I used to tell my dad that, Papa, I want to go inside that TV. So this is my first meal. So I woke up around 12. So, and it's 12:30. I'm fasting. This is the perfect meal which I could have. And it's like, it was easily available in my kitchen. So I'm having it. Event in the evening. Let's see, Masood Babi, I have an invitation. I might go there. But I'm not feeling that well. I mean, I want to rest tonight. I am not in partying mood. Let's see what happens.
hotel vasectomy, I had some questions for the man next to me. So, this child you had,
Yes,
how old is
she.
she? Yes.
Her name is Chloe. She's 22.
I have an idea. Let me give you a quick house tour of the place where I am staying right now. So let's start. This is the entrance. And this is the common area. And we have like 3 rooms. One is this. One is that one. And this is for the other girls. So this is the common area. And this is the place where I'm sleeping right now. Because Hazley is working here only. And this side we have this kitchen and stuff. And in that balcony there's a washing area. And we have छोटा सा window here also, but we don't actually use it. And this is the dining space. It's a bit messy, and this is my area, like my shoe rack and stuff. And this is the entrance of the room. It's not that clean, but yeah, I'll show you. So this is like my sitting area. Whenever my friends come around, we sit here all over the place and we just hang out. That is my shooting area. I shoot there. And this is like a very huge window. I don't want to open it, but let me just show you. Because it's beautiful. See, it's like huge window around here. See, this is beautiful. This is like the complete window. My one wall is a complete glass, you can say. So this is the bed, and ये खूनी bed sheet, but like my favorite stuff to sleep on. That is my temple. पहले वो मैंने इस तरफ को ऐसे करके नीचे रखा था, but it's just that कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आया वो चीज़, तो मैंने इसको थोड़ा ऊपर रख दिया टेम्पल को. एंड ये मेरा थोड़ा सा सामान यहाँ पे मैसी हो रखा है. आई हैव टू कीप दैट इनसाइड द बेड, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट कि अभी टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है कि मैं बेड खोल के ये सब अंदर डालूँ, तो आई हैव जस्ट केप्ट इट हेयर फॉर टाइम बीइंग. एंड here comes the washroom में I don't like this washroom as such. This is like my area. That is the washing area. Here's the commode. So it's like that. I don't like it much. I don't like the washroom of this place, but it's fine. I mean, it's just for time being, right? So this is it. This was the छोटा सा house tour, and these are like 2 cupboards. Very messy. I tell you, very messy. I'm going to show you. Okay, देख लो. It's a mess. मुझे ही नहीं मत देखो कबर्ड. So ये था. अब क्या करें भाई, छोटा सा घर है हमारा. And this is the area where all my stuff goes around like that. Can't help. So this was छोटा सा house tour, छोटा सा घर, but मेरा है. मेरा भी rented है, but ये कि ठीक है मेरा है. I have rented this out. So yeah. And I wanted to show you these plants of mine. मैंने लिली मंगाया था जेप्टो से. ये वाला प्लांट है. एक प्लांट वहाँ पे वो पूरा ड्राई सा हो गया. बाकी ये है पता नहीं कि आई थिंक मेरे को ना. एंड सी दिस इज द सराउंडिंग. दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल. ऑल ग्रीन. दैट इज द पार्क देयर. एंड यार पता है मेरे साथ एक प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं कोई भी जीती जाती चीज़ मैं उसको जिंदा ही नहीं रख सकती हूँ. अगर कोई ज़िंदा चीज़ मेरे रूम में आ गई तो वो मरेगी. तो इट्स दैट कि मुझे प्लांट्स लेने नहीं चाहिए थे पहली चीज़. मैंने ले लिए. मैंने गलती कर दी है. वी कैन नॉट हेल्प.